is that? You gotta wait until your brother comes in. I can only get you one thing, though. Sorry. I love you. I got you more than one thing, but we got to take the other thing back because I didn't realize it needed a controller that I couldn't find. Sit down. It's a birthday card. What does the outside say?
Love you. Love you.
Oh, Yoda's he's chain bound again.
No.
Yoda, Mom, come yo.
Come here, Bear. Come here, Dina. That's for me. All right, it's for me.
Lay down, buddy.
Come on, get her. Thank you, Ryan. One, two. Everybody help.
Yoda. Alright, I'll help you. I'll get him. I'll get him. Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
It glows in the dark. You got your own toothpaste. That's your toothpaste. Your brother doesn't use it.
Okay.
Got you some shorts. They got pockets. That goes with that shirt. Do you look at the front?
Skeleton.
Mhm. You can wear them anytime. They don't have to be sometimes. You can wear them or swim in them. Is that all that's in there?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Is there another